The CBIC issued new central tax notifications numbers 32, 33 and 34 on Sunday, 29 August 2021. One pertains to the GST amnesty scheme that earlier was going to end on 31st August 2021. The other one is on extension to revoke cancel GST registration for non-filing of GST returns, and the third one covers amendments to CGST rules in a few important matters. Keep watching this video to find out details of these GST notifications. Hello everyone, I'm Annapurna from Team Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. We serve more than 80,000 tax experts, 2,000 plus large enterprises, and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Welcome back to our channel, and if you happen to be new here, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. It's a GST compliance calendar that will help you stay 100% GST compliant without any stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description below. Without further ado, let me decode these notifications one by one. The Central Tax Notification number 33/2021 dated 29 August 2021 covers extension to GST amnesty scheme. The government will continue to charge the reduced maximum late fee for those who file GSTR 3B pending between July 2017 and April 2021 on or before 30th November 2021. The earlier deadline was 31st August 2021. Under the scheme, the taxpayers can file such pending GSTR 3B subject to a reduced maximum late fee of Rs 1,000 per return with liability and Rs 500 per return with no liability. However, small taxpayers found it challenging to finish pending compliances due to the negative impact that the pandemic had on their business. Lack of access to resources was another reason for not filing GST returns before the extended due dates. This extension will surely cheer up several businesses and tax professionals. The Central Tax Notification number 34/2021 was issued on 29 August 2021 dealing with revocation matter. The government got several requests from trade and professionals to clarify various aspects on this. They expressed their inability to file pending GST returns, especially under the GST amnesty scheme, due to the cancellation of GST registration on the same account. With the earlier deadline of the scheme lapsing on 31st August 2021, many applications for revocation were not cleared or processed by the tax officer. Further, the government considered the plight of several other taxpayers who could not apply for revocation due to difficulties posed by the pandemic. As per the notification, the taxpayers can continue to apply for revocation until 30th September 2021, where the time limit for application expired any time between 1st March 2020 and 31st August 2021. Further, it clarifies that this extension up to 30th September 2021 is only for cases where GST registrations were cancelled by tax officers for non-filing of returns by two types of taxpayers. Firstly, the composition taxable persons who did not pay taxes and filed returns for 3 quarters. Secondly, it covers the regular taxpayers who did not file GSTR 3B for 6 months or quarters. Let me share the timeline for revocation under the GST law. The GST law prescribes the time limit to apply for revocation as 30 days from the date of notice for cancellation by the tax officer. Taxpayers must use Form REG 21 for this purpose. In the next 7 days, the officer will verify the application and may either or not issue a show cause notice in Form REG 23 for any incomplete or misinformation. The taxpayer must respond to such notice in the next 7 days. Suppose the application or reply details satisfy the officers. In that case, they will issue Form REG 22 for revocation order within 30 days of application or reply to the notice, as the case may be. Is this timeline clear to you? If yes, let us know by typing "clear" in the comment section below. Also, if you have any queries, feel free to post them in the comment section below. We'll resolve them for you. Hence, the 30th September extension allows sufficient time to the taxpayers and tax officers to process the application for revocation and issue the order. In turn, the taxpayers get reasonable time to finish their filings of GSTR 3B that's pending on or before 30th November 2021. The CBIC notified an extension via the Central Tax Notification number 32/2021 dated 29th August 2021. The taxpayer companies have been given an additional time until 31st October 2021 to authenticate their GSTR 1 or IFF and GSTR 3B using either the Electronic Verification Code or EVC or the digital signature, that is nothing but DSC. It means that from 1st November 2021 onwards, such taxpayers can only file returns using DSC of the authorized person for the company. Earlier, this relief was granted between 27th April 2021 and 31st August 2021. The government had provided the same relief last year between 27 May 2020 and 30th September 2020. A further extension of such relief helps companies comply with GST provisions remotely with ease. Recently, the government portal blocked e-way bills generation from 15th August 2021 for all those taxpayers who have pending GSTR 3B filings since the last 2 months or the last quarter, as the case may be. Accordingly, the CBIC notified the Central Tax Notification number 32/2021 on 29th August 2021. As per the notification, e-way bill generation should not be blocked from 1st May 2021 to 18th August 2021 if the GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B or CMT 08 is not furnished from March 2021 up to May 2021. The CBIC notified changes to Form ASMT 14 via the Central Tax Notification number 32/2021 on 29th August. The format of the ASMT 14 is a show cause notice to carry out the best judgment assessment and is now slightly modified. First, after the words "with effect from so-and-so," the words "while order reference number so-and-so, dated so-and-so" shall be added. Second, the words "for conducting business without registration despite being liable for registration" shall be removed. Third, at the end after designation, address shall also be added. We have come to the end of this video. Please do like this video if you found it helpful. Also share it with your family, friends, team, and fellow professionals who can benefit from this update. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay updated.